Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me JBL Tour Pro 2 earbuds, and in this video I am going to show you how to use these earbuds with 20 tips and tricks. So let's start. The first tip is about how to connect these earbuds with your device. First of all, put these earbuds back into the smart case and then turn on your phone's Bluetooth settings. So I will press and hold this Bluetooth icon, and here I have my Bluetooth, so I will turn it on. So the next thing is you have to close the smart case for 2 seconds and then open it again. And now what you have to do, you can see the JBL Tour Pro 2 on your available list. So here you can see. Now what you have to do, you have to just select it and then it will give you the pair option. So select this pair option from here and then it will start connecting. So now it is connected and ready to use. The next tip is about JBL Headphones App. So if you want to use all features and functionalities for these earbuds, you have to download an app. So first of all, open the Play Store on your phone and search for the JBL headphones. So here I already searched, so I will just select it. So here is JBL Headphones App, and then you have to install it. The app is installed, so I will open this app, and here you have to make some settings. First of all, you have to accept the terms and conditions, and then you have to allow nearby device access and allow it again. The next thing is you have to grant notification access. So you will see this option and then select this go to settings. So I will select go to settings, and then here you see this JBL Headphones app. So currently it is disabled, so you have to enable it. So I will enable it and then I will allow it. So I will allow it from here and then I will go back. Now what you have to do, just select this get started option, and here everything is done now. Your app is now connected with your headphones. Select this later options. So here you can see all the features and functionalities for your JBL Tour Pro 2 headphones. The first setting is about ambient sound control. So open the app and here you see the very first option is about ambient sound control. So to enable this option, first of all, you have to wear your earbuds. So I will wear my earbuds, and you will see the ambient sound control will turn on automatically. So here you can see now they are turned on and ready to use. So here in ambient sound controls, we have 3 different options. The first one is active noise cancellation. You can customize active noise cancellation by yourself. Select this arrow, and here we have 3 different options. The first one is adaptive ANC. So if you enable this option, you can automatically adjust the ANC level based on the surrounding noise level. If you disable it, you can set it manually by yourself. So here you can see I can decrease it or I can increase the ANC level. The next option is leakage compensation. So here it will check your leakage status and adjust the ANC level in real time. So you can enable this option as well. The next one is air canal compensation. You can also enable this option. And the last one is air canal test. So if you select this arrow, here it will scan your air canal and provide automatic noise cancelling compensation based on your air canal shape. Now I will go back from here, and the next option is ambient aware. So you can use this option if you want to know what's going on around you, and you can change the ambient aware by yourself. So here is the ambient aware level. The next option is a talk through. So you can use this option if you want to have a quick chat with headphones on. The next setting is about personify. So you can personalize your sound profile based on your gender, age and preference. So you can use this start option, and here you can set your gender, year of birth, and then if you select next, here it will check the environment noise and it will also check the wearing status for you. The next setting is about equalizer. So you can customize your EQ, select this arrow, and here first of all turn on the equalizer. So here you have 5 preset equalizer available. So you have jazz, vocal, bass, club, and studio. You can create your own equalizer as well. Select this plus icon. So here you can see we have different levels available. You can adjust it manually by yourself. So here you can see I can change these levels according to my needs, and once I finish I can use this save option, and here you can see my new EQ is available. The next setting is about spatial sound. So you can enable spatial sound, and here you can select what type of content you are listening, and JBL will give you fine-tuned sound experience according to the type of content. So here we have this movies option. So you can select movies, then we have music, and then we have games. The next setting is about controls. So here you can see we have this left earbud, and we also have this right earbud option. I will select this left earbud. So here you can see we have different gestures options. So if you single tap, you can switch between noise cancelling and ambient aware. You can also use this off option as well. The next thing is if you double tap, you can switch to talk through mode, and you can also use the tap and hold option to activate the native voice assistant. The next thing is call control. So if you double tap, you can answer or hang up the call, and if you tap and hold, you can reject the incoming call. You can also use it for mute and unmute microphone during a call. You can also customize all of these gestures. So here you can see customize gesture option, select this arrow, and here we have 4 different options. So you have this ambient sound control, you have this volume control, then you have this playback and voice assistant control, and then you have this none option. For example, I select this volume control. So here you can see now if I single tap, I can increase the volume. If I double tap, I can reduce the volume. So this is how you can customize it. Now I will select the right earbud, and here you can see we have different gestures option. The first one is single tap for play and pause the music. The next one is double tap for the next track, and then we have this triple tap for the previous track, and then again we have tap and hold option for activate native voice assistant. So you can customize these gestures again. Here you can see we have 4 different options, so you can select any of them. You can also set up voice assistant. If I select it, here you can see we have 3 different options. The first one is Google Assistant, then we have Amazon Alexa, and then we have native voice assistant. The next setting is about voice aware. So you can enable this option, and here you can control how much of your own voice you hear during calls. So here you can see we have different levels. So you can set it to high, low, or medium. The next option is about silent now. So you can use a silent now option to create silent bubble by disconnecting Bluetooth and enabling noise cancelling. So here you can see you can set a time, and then you can also set a duration. Now here your headphones will disconnected from mobile device, and the headphones will block out all sound. The next setting is about auto play and pause. So you can enable this option. So now the sound will pause when you take off your headphones, and once you wear your headphones again, it will resume automatically. The next setting is about personal sound amplification. So you can enable this option, and it will amplify sound from your surroundings to stay aware of what's going on around you. And it will also amplify voices for better communication. So from here you can change the balance. So you can change it to the left or to the right, and you can also change the gains from here as well by yourself. The next setting is about voice assistant. So you can set voice assistant to Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, and native voice assistant from your phone. The next setting is about voice prompt. So here you can change the language for the voice prompt. Just select this language option, and here you have different language options available. The next setting is about max volume limiter. So you can enable this setting to set the volume below 85 decibels to protect your hearings and extend battery life. The next setting is about Find My Buds. So if you just select this option, so you will hear a beep that will help you to find your earbuds. So I will play for the left one, and then after 3 seconds I will select this continue option, and you will hear this kind of beep. So this will be really helpful for you to find out your earbuds. The next setting is about smart case. So if you select this arrow, here you have all your smart case settings. So for example, if you want to change the brightness, you can change it to mid, or you can change it to high. So here you can see the brightness on the case is also changed. You can also change the screensaver. So for example, if I select this screensaver, so here you can see the screensaver on smart case also changed. So we have different screensaver options available. You can also set the time for the screensaver. So here you can see you can select it to 30 seconds, or you can select it up to 60 seconds. The next setting is about message notification. So you can enable this option as well. So now whenever you have some kind of message notification, you can also see it on your smart case as well. For example, I will send an email to this device, and here you will see you will have this kind of notification available on your smart case as well. You can also use your smart case to answer or end the call. So now I will call on my number, and you will see a call notification on smart case as well, and you can also answer or reject the call. So here you can see it is showing me incoming call, and here I have both options available. So I can use my smart case to answer this call. So here you can see I can easily double tap it and I can answer. The next tip is about smart case. So if you just swipe it like this, you can use most of the settings through smart case. So you can play and pause the music. If you just swipe it again, then you can control the volume. So if you want to increase or decrease the volume, you can use this option. If you swipe it again, you can use this ambient sound option. So you can switch between ANC, ambient aware, or you can use the talk through option. If you swipe it again, then you have this equalizer option, and then if you swipe more, then you have this timer option, and you have this spatial sound option available. So most of the settings that you are using through the app, you can also control it through your smart case. The next setting is about power saving. So if you select this power saving option, here you have two different options available. The first one is auto standby. So if you enable this option, your headphones enter standby mode if idle for 15 minutes to save power. In standby mode, ANC will automatically be turned off. The next option is auto power off. If you enable this option, your headphones will automatically power off with idle lasting for 30 minutes, 1 hour or 2 hours. So you can customize this option by yourself. The next tip is about reset to factory settings. If you select this support option, here you will see this option for reset to factory settings. Just select this arrow and then select this reset option, and then you can easily reset your headphones. If you want to power off your earbuds, select this power option inside your app. So here is the power off button, just select it, and here you can power off your headphones. If you want to power on again, you have to put the earbuds back into the case and then take them out again, and they will turn on. For battery life, these earbuds will give you in total of 40 hours, with the 10 hours for the earbuds and 30 hours for the smart case. But if you turn on the ANC, which is active noise cancellation, your total battery life will be 32 hours, with 24 hours for the smart case and 8 hours for the earbuds. So guys, this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.